7 Spoonful Hacks to help you lose weight. Losing weight can be hard. Some people manage to shed pounds quickly, while it takes others weeks to lose a couple pounds. Whatever you do, do not resort to diet pills, drugs, or start a crash diet because these can do major damage to your health. What is the best way to lose weight, you ask? Lucky for you, we have a few weight loss hacks to share with you. Let's be real for a second, you have to work to lose weight. The combination of exercise and a healthy diet is the most effective way to get rid of unwanted pounds. Thinking that the weight will magically fall off doesn't get you anywhere. If you use our herbal hacks, combined with exercise and a healthy diet, you can help your body lose weight naturally. Disclaimer: the following need to be consumed along with a healthy diet and exercise. You should consume no more than a tablespoon a day. Consuming these with an unhealthy diet and no exercise will not yield the positive weight loss results you seek. Turmeric. This herb is commonly found in Indian cuisine. It has a signature flavor and bright orange color. If you are inflamed or tend to hold water, turmeric is beneficial for you because it has incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Take a spoonful of turmeric once a day to help speed up your metabolism and aid your body in the weight loss process. Lemon juice. There are many reasons why you should drink lemon juice every day. It alkalizes the body, supports the immune system, and its high vitamin C content is great for helping the body burn fat. You can add lemon juice to your water throughout the day, or you can add a spoonful of lemon juice to warm water in the morning for a fresh vitamin C boost. Apple cider vinegar. We all know that apple cider vinegar is pretty awesome. It can help alkalize the body, improve skin conditions, and it stabilizes blood sugar levels. If your blood sugar levels constantly spike, then you most likely will binge eat or snack on unhealthy things. Maintaining even blood sugar levels can help you avoid cravings, which will help you lose weight. Add a spoonful of this to your water and drink this once a day. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of those ingredients that has an array of benefits. It is a healthy fat that helps to increase your metabolism, it keeps your skin soft and healthy, and it makes you feel full when you eat. If you feel full, then you won't eat as much. Cinnamon. Let's just take a second to appreciate how delicious cinnamon is. Okay, now that we've done that, we can tell you that it has essential minerals that you need every day. If you want to make an all-natural weight loss drink, mix a spoonful of cinnamon with a spoonful of raw honey in a cup of hot water. This drink can be consumed whenever you like to get a healthy dose of fiber, which will help improve your digestion. Raw honey. Let's make one thing very clear. Raw organic honey is not the same thing as that processed, sugar-filled honey. While that sugar stuff can give you more sugar than you need in a day with one squeeze, raw honey helps promote healthy digestion. If your digestive system isn't functioning right, it can be hard to lose weight, so add a spoonful of raw honey to your daily diet. Thyme. It's time to use more of this. Aside, fresh thyme is loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that help protect the cells in your body. Additionally, thyme is a natural diuretic, which can help release excess water weight and stored toxins in the body. It may be hard to stomach a spoonful of this herb because it is powerful. Instead, you can season your meals with it. It goes great on sautéed veggies. This was just one method to lose weight. There are several other methods as well to be successful with losing weight. You need a proven method that works. Learn the scientifically proven secret to losing weight in just a few minutes per day. To learn more about this amazing method, just click on the link below.